Welcome to Lendrix, the smarter way to unlock liquidity from your crypto. Here, you can borrow up to 95% against your assets without selling them and without any forced liquidation. Let me show you exactly how the Lendrix loan process works. First, choose your collateral. Select an asset like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, XRP, BNB, or stablecoins, then enter the amount you want to deposit. Next, choose your loan currency, USDT or USDC. Prices update live, and your loan amount is calculated instantly at up to 95% LTV. Once everything looks right, click Continue. Now review and confirm your loan. You can see your collateral amount, loan value, and exact LTV clearly displayed. Your crypto stays locked until repayment, but there is no liquidation risk, regardless of market conditions. After reviewing the details, confirm your loan. Next, deposit your collateral. Lendrix provides you with a secure deposit address and a QR code. Make sure you send your crypto on the correct network. Sending on the wrong network can result in permanent loss. Once the transaction is confirmed on-chain, paste your transaction ID and enter the address where you want to receive your loan funds. That's it. Your loan request is now submitted. You'll see a confirmation screen showing your collateral, loan amount, and current status. From your dashboard, you can monitor everything in real time. Your collateral, loan value, LTV, transaction history, and status. You can repay anytime, with no deadlines and no forced liquidation. Your crypto stays yours while you unlock its value. Lendrix, liquidity without selling. Visit lendrix.co and get started today.